Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are here to talk about something, but I want to make something clear that I didn't make clear when I put up my stashed video with a side of shame, that I came out and said, oh, I'm, not buying all this tons of new crap. What I didn't clarify is that, first off, I will be trying new things on my channel, but I just won't be buying every single new thing that I see, which is what I was doing. I was literally going on Sephora's website, Ulta's website, going to drugstores, going onto any website I could find, ColourPop, Makeup Revolution, any new thing that came out with that even remotely looked interesting, I was buying. So I'm just not doing that anymore. Now I'm being more selective and just smarter about what new things that I'm trying. And in that way, I'll be cutting back on spending, and my content will have more depth and I think like just more substance, I guess you could say. Because even in my mind, everything was just becoming like, get ready with me using all these 10 new products that were just all blurring together. So having said that, we are going to go on to this video, and this video is featuring this new product. This is from Makeup Revolution. And here's my idea as I go forward with this new idea. In every new product video that I put out, I will tell you, okay, here's the new product for this video. For my next video, you can pick between this new product and this new product. And in the comments of that video, you can tell me which new product that I show you what you want to see in the next video. So having said that, let me know for the next video if you want to see these palettes from the Forever Flawless collection, or the Tammy Revolution Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette. Let me know in the comments below which, this will be one video or this will be one video. These I'll just include in one video, but which one do you want to see next? But for this video, we are talking about the Foil Frenzy Cream to Powder Shadow Palette. It's the same format as their Reloaded palettes. I got this off of the UK website. So it's no big secret. Makeup Revolution hasn't always wowed me with their metallic shades, but what intrigued me about this palette was that apparently it's not the same formula as the rest of their palettes. This is a cream to powder formula, which makes me think of like ColourPop Super Shock Shadows or something like that. So I'm gonna swatch all these, and I'm gonna use one of them on my lid. One with a glitter glue and one just on its own. I think we'll swatch them all first, and then we'll decide which ones that we're gonna use. So I'm just gonna go row by row, and they don't have names, they're just numbers on the back, so. I mean, they feel great. I mean, they beat the shit out of any other metallic that I've felt from their Reloaded palettes, so that's good, but they don't feel, they just keep coming off my hands. Like, I can keep rubbing and stuff is still coming off my hands. So, all right, so those were the first three. Oh, God, wow. I mean, really, I don't even need to swipe these on the back of my hands. These are doing amazing on their own. They don't feel like cream though. Like, they don't feel like wet or like pasty, which is what I would imagine cream to feel like. They feel more like a slightly moussey powder. All right, middle row. Oh man, these are gorgeous. And I absolutely feel a difference between these and the, you know what, I'll grab another Reloaded palette and I'll show you the difference just by finger swatches. All right, this is the Visionary palette. It's kind of like a dupe of the Anastasia, what the hell? You know, Norvina palette. So maybe you really can't see the difference, but I can feel a difference. These are obviously drier, but even the pigment, like even that pink pigment on this side is nowhere near as saturated as this one. So that's pretty cool. All right, next row. These are gorgeous, wow. And you know what, I'm pretty intrigued to see what this black is like. I still don't know what I'm gonna put on my eyes, but I guess we're gonna find out. Oh, that black is gorgeous. Wow. It's almost like a really, really, really deep gray. All right, these I will kind of, these last row I will swatch. All right, it's good. It's good. We're good. Now, Ulta has in the end ended up carrying all of their reloaded palettes. Now I haven't seen this one on the Ulta website, so if you want this, you probably have to go to their UK website. Now what do I want to put on my eyes? This I'll do on this side, and then, or maybe I should choose the same color and use one with a glue and one without so we can actually see the difference. So that's what I'll do. So you know what, maybe I'll end up picking, maybe I'll do this gold on both sides, one with glue and one without, so we can see if there's actually a difference. It's showing up, definitely not how it was showing up on my finger just as I was swatching. And I do feel a powdery quality to it. It looks like a powder, like on, I mean, and that looks pretty, but it's just not crazy pigmented. So let's do glue on one side to see what kind of difference that makes. Oh yeah, you're definitely getting that extra pop on this side. It looks smoother with the glue. You definitely get more pigmented, more pop. All right, so what did you guys think? Did you guys think this is, well, I can't even say, is it worth it? Because this is cheap as fucking shit. It's, again, it's not a secret. I'm a huge fan of Makeup Revolution. I'm happy with 94% of the things that I get from there. That very small 6% is a very small 6%. I'm actually going to do a video soon of my favorite and least favorite products from Makeup Revolution very soon. And I'll let you know the things that have just failed for me. Some of them I actually just have pictures of because I've either passed them on or trashed them. But stay tuned for that. But this is super fun. And if you want to put in an order to the UK site, it's free shipping after, it isn't sponsored by the way. It's free shipping after you spend $50. It's a legit, like, safe website. They take PayPal and all that stuff. Like, it's safe. It just takes an extra, like, week as it would. But to be fair, I mean, Ulta can take 2 fucking weeks to ship something. ColourPop can take 2 or 3 weeks to ship something. So, I mean, and I've got shipments from Makeup Revolution that were faster than ColourPop or Ulta. So, I mean, there you go. But I'll leave the information for this in the box below. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think this is cool or not? I don't think the formula is like groundbreaking. It doesn't feel crazy. And I mean, the pigmentation isn't the most craziest that I've seen, but I love the colors. The payoff is really cool. It does work better with glue, but who doesn't have glitter glue nowadays or anything? I'm pretty happy with it, and I'm excited to play with it more. So yeah, that was it. So once again, let me know in the box below which palettes you want to see next. Do you want to see these in a video next, or do you want to see this? Let me know your thoughts in the box below. Everything I'm wearing on my face today will be listed in the description box. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.